welcome to my channel Simple Kids Activity. Today I am going to tell you some thoughts. So let's get started. You learn something every day if you pay attention. Try, but don't cry. Mistakes are proof that you are trying. As you know more, you grow more. Don't believe in luck, believe in hard work. Do not give up, do work hard. Where there is a will, there is a way. When you know better, you do better. The roots of education are bitter, but the fruit is sweet. The worst thing you can do in any given situation is nothing. Always think before you act and speak. Push today for what you want tomorrow. Do what is right, not what is easy. Thank you. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, then subscribe to my channel. Bye.